This is the Jewel Wasp, Ampulix compressa, and this is a zombie. But more on that later. The Jewel Wasp is an invertebrate and is currently categorized as Animalia, Eumetazoa, Bilateria, Promostomia, Ecdysozoa, Arthropoda, Hexapoda, Insecta, Hymenoptera, Epode, Ampulicidae, Ampulix, and species name Ampulix compressa. These organisms are found primarily in the tropical regions of South Asia, Africa, and the Pacific Islands. They generally live in solitary and provide no parental care to their offspring. Females are typically larger than males and live longer too. On average, mature females live for about 80 days, while mature males only live for a few days. Females also have a stinger while males do not. These stingers are derived from a modified egg-laying body part called an ovipositor. This stinger is important in the jewel wasp reproduction because they are a parasitoid. They are considered a parasitoid because their larval stage eventually kills the host, the American cockroach. The cockroach is significantly larger than the wasp, but it is no match for the wasp's precision and neurotoxin-containing venom. The venom does not kill the cockroach. Instead, it hijacks the roach's cerebral ganglia, and the roach loses its ability to self-initiate and maintain walking. The first sting is quick, like the one you just saw, and it is aimed at the ventral side of the thorax and is designed to temporarily paralyze the roach's front legs. The wasp's second sting is aimed at the head and is much more precise than the first. The wasp probes around in the head just like a brain surgeon, searching for specific ganglia that'll help inhibit its walking motor functions. After the second sting, the cockroach begins grooming itself vigorously for 30 minutes. While the roach cleans itself, the wasp builds a nest where it will store the roach until the larvae hatches. We're almost to your part, zombie. When the wasp returns, the roach has stopped cleaning, and it is in a zombie-like trance. The wasp often cuts into one of the roach's antennae and feeds on its hemolymph before walking the roach to the nest that it has just built. This is just like how you would walk your dog. Well, maybe pull your dog a little bit. The wasp guides the zombie-like roach all the way to the nest and lays an egg on the exterior of the roach before covering him completely. When the egg hatches, the larva burrows into the roach, where it remains and feeds for a month until they hatch as a mature adult. Fortunately, this is the end of the roach, and the cycle begins anew.